Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to link HTML and CSS in Visual Studio Code. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Well, the first step would be to create a new folder on the desktop. Then, we will open VS Code and we will drag the folder inside. Well, now we will create an HTML file. We will type HTML5, and here we will write Link CSS. And here we will write H1 and inside a random text. Now we will need to have the Go Live extension. If you don't have it, go to Extensions, and here look for Live Server and install it. Well, as you can see, here we have the text. Now we will create a CSS file. We will write H1, and inside we will write color and any color. Well, now in the HTML we will make a space inside head. We will write link. And here inside we will put the name of the CSS file. And as you can see, already it would have been linked correctly. Well, but to have it better ordered, we will create a new folder called CSS. As you can see, after doing this, it would be unlinked. To link it again, we will do the following. Here, we will type CSS and then slash. If this here appears crossed out, simply close it and reopen it from here. If you liked the video, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks.